Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts, to our Nature Field YouTube channel. Today we're about to uncover the captivating world of Rosin Weed, a remarkable living organism with a rich history and an array of practical uses. Join us on this botanical journey as we explore its origins, unique features, and essential care tips to flourish in your garden. Meet Rosin Weed, scientifically known as Silphium integrifolium. This native beauty has a fascinating history dating back to ancient Native American tribes who revered it for its medicinal properties and practical uses. Also known as whole leaf rosin weed, this plant has been cherished for generations due to its remarkable qualities. With its towering upright stems and bright yellow flowers, it adds a touch of sunshine to any garden landscape. Its leaves are lance-shaped and remain whole, hence the name integrifolium. The vibrant flowers attract an array of beneficial pollinators, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. To cultivate rosin weed successfully, it requires specific growing conditions. It thrives in full sun and well-draining soil, making it ideal for prairie-style gardens or natural areas. As a native plant, it is remarkably resilient and can withstand various weather conditions, including drought. Enhance the beauty of your garden by companion planting with rosin weed. It complements other prairie plants like coneyflowers and black-eyed Susans, creating a visually stunning and ecologically diverse landscape. Apart from its visual appeal, rosin weed offers various practical uses. In Native American medicine, it was utilized for its medicinal properties, including treating various ailments and injuries. Additionally, its seeds are a source of food for birds, contributing to the ecological balance of the garden. There you have it, the captivating tale of rosin weed, or Silphium integrifolium, a magnificent addition to any gardening and farming enthusiast collection. Embrace its rich history, mesmerizing characteristics, and essential care tips to flourish this native beauty in your garden. Thank you for joining us on this botanical adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to explore more wonders of nature as we continue to celebrate the diversity of living organisms.